I'm Debbie. I've got a husband, Andy, and the 2 kids are both grown-up children. One's out at uni, in and out of the house. The other one's staying at home with us with their constant showers. So one of the reservations we had in regards to having a smart meter installed was because when you listen to some of the news and stuff that's going on, so Martin Lewis is like, how many bedrooms, how many people? We always thought actually it would be more expensive for us. So kind of shied away from it and ended up continuing to pay rateable value bills when potentially we could have got cheaper rates much sooner. So I think it's worth really speaking to like your water company, because they can probably give you better advice, and they do support you in regards to having that meter installed and then reviewing with you how much consumption you use over the year and making sure it's the right fit for you. So moving to a smart meter, we've saved over £80 a month, which is like amazing. Didn't expect it, but really thankful.